Happy Easter. Today I'm celebrating Easter. And I got some Easter eggs. Surprise eggs.
Great. Show me what it is. Oh. You got
we
it.
have 6. I'm gonna unravel this surprise eggs.
Oh, you are going to unreveal this surprise? Okay, let's see
open one.
what it is.
Oh, we have chomps.
Mm-hmm.
We have chomps.
What is this?
We have a mini Lego Ninjago minifigure named Chomps.
Okay, without minifigure. Okay, what is this?
His name is Chomps.
Mm-hmm.
He's an anaconda warrior from Chan's Island.
Okay, great. This is surprise one. You put it like this.
And
Yes.
let's open this egg. Yellow
Okay.
one. Oh, we got a constricted Genral. Lloyd.
Okay, great.
And let's open this.
Okay.
Oh, we have
Pieces.
We got-
Lego minifigures, right?
there's 2 double head pieces. So first, let's put these legs on him and put this like here and then. Done.
Oh, great. What is this called?
Lloyd.
Lloyd. Okay, great.
We got this purple one.
Purple one. Okay.
Ooh, we got Phantom.
Mm-hmm.
Let's hold up. And this is a body
Mm-hmm.
and legs.
Mm-hmm.
And his head, he is a double head.
Oh, it has double legs. Okay, great.
Like this. You put it like in like this. So we have 4 minifigs. So blue egg. Let's open it. Oh, this maybe look like
Okay.
Zane
Okay.
from the first season. So his legs
Mm-hmm.
and his body.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put them together. And this thing, his sword area, put it in his head, and put a sword behind him like this. And this is a head of his, the double head. Let's put a happy face. And his cap. This is how it looks.
What is this name?
Zane. He's
Zane.
an android.
Okay.
He's a robot. Got 5 minutes.
Oh, we got 5 minifigs. Great. Okay. What do you have?
He has the powerfulest eye. He can hypnotize. He's a hypnobride.
Okay.
He's a hypnobride thing guy. His legs. So his legs and body. Let's attach them. And look at his powerful eye.
Okay.
His head. And his cap. It's not a cap, he looks like this.
Okay.
So it looks. So we have this orange one.
Mm-hmm. What do you have?
Skull saucer.
Okay.
Let's pour them. So his body? And his cap?
Mm-hmm.
And his skull.
Okay.
He holds him like this.
Wow.
Oops, this guy's bouncing. And let's open a yellow one.
Mm-hmm.
We have a yellow one.
Okay.
Yellow one. Let's open it.
What do we have?
We have Scales, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So let's build him. Scale is made out of rubber. See? It's twisty. Let's just put it there.
Okay. We have these many this side and 2 this side.
Let's open.
Which one you want to open now?
Pink.
Pink.
We have Lloyd. He's young Lloyd garmadon.
Okay.
He's the same guy that we got there.
Mm-hmm.
But he's tinier. He's a kid that time.
Okay.
So like his body
Mm-hmm.
and his legs, tiny legs.
Mm-hmm.
That can't move though. Put his legs on and his head on. So it looks his head. Put a happy face and his cap on.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks.
Super. Show me the other side. Okay, great. We have 3 this side. Which color you like it now?
Green.
Green, okay.
Pyro.
Mm-hmm. Pyro, okay. Cool.
He's a general of the anaconda. And his legs, there's a tail.
Mm-hmm.
Same like that anaconda were, but he's white. This is his body.
Okay.
He's the tallest serpentine neck guy.
Show me.
So
Like this.
he has a diamond on top of him.
Oh, blue color diamond. It has a
He
tail.
shed his skin.
It has
He used to be purple, but he shed his skin. So let's put it on the side. He's like Scales. He's a general. Yeah, 4. Let's open this purple.
Purple one, okay.
Oh, we have one more Lloyd.
Okay.
So, from Chen's Island. This is a version from Chen's Island.
Mm-hmm.
He came. So his body
Mm-hmm.
and his legs
Mm-hmm.
and his mask
Mm-hmm.
and his head.
Mm-hmm.
And his hair. This one has hair on it.
White hair.
Yeah, because his dad used to have white hair.
Okay.
His dad is the Lord of Shadows.
Mm-hmm.
And this guy is a green ninja. He's good. Gosh.
Great. So we have 4 left.
Yes. Let's take orange.
Okay.
Oh, we have coal.
Show me this side.
So we have coal, but this was from the position season. from his
Is a
body and his legs.
Okay. Looks good. Put it on the table.
It's a position season. We have 3 left. Let's open pink.
Okay.
So we got Master Wolf.
Oh, okay.
So his legs and his body.
Okay.
And his mustache.
Oh.
Golden mustache. And his,
Where's the mustache?
Here.
Ah, okay.
It's rubber. And his head is old though. He's the son of the first Spinjitzu master. And his hat and his thing that he holds because he's a master. Let's put this in here. This.
Great.
Oh, master.
And only 2 left now.
Yellow, let's chase. Yeah, Princess Vanya.
Wow.
Son of the daughter of the Skull Sorcerer. What?
Wow.
Last.
Brown hair.
Yeah.
Egg.
Oh, we have the Winamari General. The Winamari General. So, his body and he has a tail because it's Jenny. His body, and his head. He has 4 eyes.
4?
Eyes.
Show me.
Here and here.
Okay.
Let's put him there.
I want to see where are the 4 eyes.
1, 2,
Okay.
and 3, 4.
4 eyes. Great. Okay.
So let's put them here and here.